You can refer to the hand chart on marmamat.com for this demonstration. Starting with a little warm-up. Get all the circulation moving through your hands. Release all the tension inside the muscles. You can use this to just press into all the pressure points around the hand and relieve all the tissue. Get this texting thumb to relax a little. Undoing the fingers, getting into all the between the joints and the bones in here, the thumb and all the muscles around the thumb. And we're using these side pyramids to get into the pressure points and this edge here. So in here you have your liver and your heart point. And here's the pancreas point. Into the solar plexus points, which are right in the center. And here's your digestive points. And here's the bladder points. Up in here's the adrenal points. Getting into the kidney points, which are in here. And then getting into the stomach points, which are in here. Using that second row of pyramids. Now getting into the thyroid points, which are in here. Now getting into the reproductive points. Reproductive points along here. The immune system point, which is in the center. Now pressing into the spine points, which are in here. Using the corner. To get into the nerve points, we use the edges here. For the hips and knees and waist. Getting into the tips of the fingers for the sinuses and the brain. Finishing off with the same techniques you did for the warm-up. Get the circulation moving through. Fantastic way to relieve the hands. Actually helps to relax the whole body when your hands and feet are relaxed. Feel free to take a quick walk on your marma mat following this exercise for optimal benefits.